learn how to create a professional presentation for your organization, company, school, or anything. It will take hardly 2 to 5 minutes to create a professional presentation which will look super awesome, and you can create it on your own. And that will be also unique. All right. So we will be creating a presentation by using Canva, and Canva is a very popular website through which you can make thumbnails, presentation, PDFs, and many more. So open your browser and type canva.com and just hit enter. And as I said, it will take only 2 to 5 minutes max. So once the Canva is open, just sign in with your email address. And once you are signed in, at the top right corner, you will see a option called Create a Design. And I will click on that. And then we have an option Presentation. So presentation 16 by 9, 1920. So it's a default one, and I'll click on that. You don't have to make any changes here. Once you do that, a new window will appear like this. All right. Now the best part here is we need to use the templates for the presentation. So many of the presentations templates are free. Since I'm using a premium version, then I'm also getting many more premium pro options. However, there are so many, free templates are there which you can use. And let's say if you're creating an annual company report, or a marketing plan, or a business proposal, or a company profile, then you can do that. So let's say if I'm creating a sales target, something like that, or a monthly report like that, I can create it from here. So I'll just select this pro one here, and it says apply all 15 pages. I'll do that. And here I can simply edit like this. So let's say it's 2023. So I'll just make it 23. And then I'll go to the second page from here, from the bottom. Then I can edit and copy paste. Just like that, I can edit and I can create a wonderful looking presentation. If you do not like it, just go back and from here, just select all and delete all. And then you can use a new, presentation template and then see which works for you. I will click on apply all for 11 pages, and you can see I have got this thing here. So all these pictures are there, fonts are already selected, font colors are already there. You just need to enter your content and you can create a presentation in just 5 minutes. Once you are done with the editing part like this, you need to click on share, and then we need to click on download. You can download a PDF, you can download as a PPT, as a JPEG, PNG, all right, PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint document. There's so many things which you can do, and you can also create a video about it. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial and you know how to create a presentation in Canva in just 2 to 5 minutes. All right. So please do let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.